Welcome everybody, it's Kelly Driver. Lovely to see you all again. Thank you for joining my channel for this video. This is the third video in what appears to have been a series that I'm creating with based on my Love is Golden artwork, which I did quite a while ago, and now I'm doing some replications of it, which is it's taken me by surprise. So the last one I did was a commission piece for a lovely client of mine, and that one is just curing at the moment. And then I've also completed another one. I'm actually recording this introduction after I have done the video. So I used, once again, all the same colors that I did in Love is Golden. In the commission piece that I just did the other day, I also used white, but this time I have left the white out and I have applied the paints in a different order. So you will see what how the painting can turn out differently by simply just reordering the paints. So it doesn't take much to get a completely different result, yet just as beautiful. So I hope you enjoy this video, and let's see what the end result is like. And I don't know whether you can hear all the little birds in the background, but I've got some rainbow lorikeets in my grevillea bush outside, which is creating a lovely ambience for our video this afternoon. So enjoy everybody. Thank you. Let's begin. Here's my Prussian blue base here. So we'll put that on first. Got some air bubbles in my paint, so I'll give it a good torch. This is a 40 by 40 canvas. I can't remember if I said that in my intro or not. Anyway, 40 by 40. I'm going to use my usual blow dryer today. Okay, I will have to touch up the sides afterwards because they are a bit transparent with this paint colour. Okay, so we've got our base has been torched. There is a piece of little tiny bit of fluff there, and it is looking like a beautiful finish here with a glass-like finish. So the paint is a beautiful consistency. Okay, so let's, we're going to have a second attempt at putting these paint colours out because I wasn't happy with how I poured them before. So let's try that again, starting with phthalo blue. That's much nicer. Nope, there we go. We're just doing a little bit of a shuffle around of colours. So this is the ultramarine violet light, this one. This one is gold yellow. Blue violet. Caput mortuum violet. A very small amount of copper because it's such a dominant colour. We've got to be very careful with copper. Don't want to overdo that. Gold. think the last colour is pearl blue. Okay, they're all my colours, so I'll just put some flooding paint on the canvas now. Okay, and I will blow the colours over. Wow, well this has had a very different effect to last time. It's really beautiful, but it is nothing like what I produced last time. It's beautiful though, absolutely beautiful. I've got a little scratch down here, so I'll have to blow that. I must have hit it with my clothes somewhere. That's all right. Beautiful. Wow. This one reminds me very much of another painting that I've done. It doesn't remind me of Love is Golden. I absolutely love it, but as what happens with fluid art and acrylic pouring is that you never get the same painting twice. And this one's really beautiful, but it's not the same as Love is Golden at all. So anyway guys, I'll bring you down for a close-up and then you can see all the magical things that I can see. I'll zoom around for you. So we've got the bottom left-hand corner and then coming through the center. I changed this up the top here, I blew this out a little bit, changed that just slightly. And sorry about the ring light, I do apologise. And this is the top left-hand corner with plenty of negative space through the centre. And a very beautiful painting. Once again, completely unique. It is not the same as Love is Golden, but even though it uses the same colours. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm Kelly Driver and I will see you next time. Bye for now.